survey the something now. My grid basket. So that's the environment. How you look. I wonder if you have a mango. Wash for mango and eat it. The squirrel them come out. Yeah, so turn on the light. I'm going to use the medium. You have to do the climate change awareness. So this is a 1/4 of a basket. So I'm going to use quick. Quick is the most climate friendly settings on this particular machine. Turn it on. Transfer the wet to the dry machine. Alright. Once you see, them I sit here wet, and next thing I have to dry. Alright, I cause an effect not. This is a big bungo. This was done on a bedding. Not night bedding, just bedding. Alright, so in order to make joke, you have to kind of know the previous. So instead of quick throw on the dry machine, well, we'll go with bedding, double plus, and before we do that, start a new cycle on the wet, and we're gonna go quick. So once again, the quick setting, I'm gonna do my own first. Then I have to go in a workshop. They must just have some dust in them. Yeah, some of just go put them on the cold setting. Yeah, put them on the cold setting and wash out them.